Now, let's us move to the environmental legislation in Malaysia. In Malaysia, we have the Environmental Quality Act 1974, that governs the prevention, abatement, control of pollution, and enhancement of the environment in Malaysia. Now, we move to the environmental problems. Some of the environmental problems being recognized by us are global warming, deforestation, air pollution, water pollution, and acid rain. First, the global warming. It happens when the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere has gradually increased. The scientists believe that it caused by the greenhouse gases, such as combustion of fossil fuels from cars, factories and electricity production, which release carbon dioxide. Second, the deforestation. Deforestation means the clearing of forest or tree in order to accommodate agricultural, industrial or urban use. Massive deforestation could diminish the amount of rain. Thus, it will lead to regions' climate and disrupting rainforest ecosystems. Third, air pollution. It may cause by natural events like forest fires, volcanic eruptions, wind erosion, pollen dispersal, evaporation of organic compounds and natural radioactivity. However, emissions from industries and manufacturing activities by human also at fault. Next, water pollution. It may cause by sewage and wastewater. Even though they are treated, but it never being the same as fresh water. In some not-so-developed countries, the sewage is dumped into the sea and contaminate the environment, which will bring many deadly diseases to human. The last environmental problem is acid rain. It caused by a chemical reaction that begins when compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides are released into the air, which later mix and react with water oxygen. Thus, it is why we should undertake environmental audit. There are three purposes why environmental audit being carried out. First, to avoid liability. Second, to prove due diligence. And third, to save money. The first reason why we carry out environmental audit is to avoid liability. If the company is not in compliance with legal requirements, they will be penalized by law. The government also provide incentives to conduct environmental audit. The second reason is to prove due diligence. It requires the company took reasonable efforts to address known risks and to prevent any violation towards environment. The last reason is to save money. Environmental audits can help identify costly problems, such as inefficiencies in the company's operations. Thus, it will benefit the company financially.
Created using Powtoon.